Well, I know it's only April, but hey, we've got the markets slightly nervous at this hour. We had been up 153 points for the Dow. Now we're up only 17. So let's spin it forward to trading for the second half of 2016. What do you have to buy and what do you have to short? We've got the strategy that's going to make you money. So says Larry Shover. He is our superstar trader, CIO at SFG Alternatives. Great to have you here. Quickly on these markets, such nervous trading, very jittery this week.
Yeah, it's been jittery for a while, as you know, and it's just being run by sentiment. It's not fundamentals, and so up one day, up 1 month, down 1 month, it just makes no sense. It's not following fundamentals.
Okay, regardless, let's make people some money. Let's do the long-short trades.
Yeah.
What would you go long right now? Give people two names that you really like.
You know, I really like Nike, and I really like Ralph Lauren, both of them. Both of them have completely been the leaders in what they're doing. They've benefited from lower oil. They've benefited from lower leather prices. Leather's down 40% in the last 6 months. Also lower cotton. You have Ralph Lauren. I mean, only 1/3 of the revenue is derived overseas, and they want to double that, and they're going to be able to. Nike, you have sportswear around the globe growing like 9% a year, and the middle class is growing. So a great company.
Yeah, although they maybe can hear Under Armour's breath behind them on the track as they run, right? Under Armour, certainly what we've talked about today regarding the Masters and Jordan Spieth. Okay, just as you go long something, people should clean out their portfolios of other names or perhaps short something. What are those two names that you like?
Yeah, you know, the one is Devon Energy, and it's made an admirable run since February, $18. Now it's up like around 29. The problem is it's just over-leveraged, over-debt. They're highly correlated to natural gas prices, more so than oil prices. And you know, the company just will not work at $2 natural gas prices. And also, when you have capital and operating expenditures of Canada tar sands, oil sands that they're very tied into, it's going to be really tough. I mean,
do you think we dip into recession in the second half?
No.
Because, you know, Donald Trump says we're close to it.
No, not at all. In fact, I think we're much too dovish. I mean, I do. I do think we're going to raise rates twice, June and December of this year. And I think it's going to be a little bit of a headwind because we're also overly dovish, but I do think they'll raise rates, but no recession. Yep,
you're echoing what Yellen said yesterday. The economy is on solid footing. I would say there's a stubbed toe here and there, but solid footing.
Right.
Larry, lovely to see you.
Thank you.
Larry Shover, one of our favorite traders, SFG Alternatives, and as the closing bell kicks in, what a week of wary trading that comes to the close. It's the worst week since February, and look at the S&P, barely 2.5 points above positive territory for the year, but hey, a win's a win.